Want an edge predicting market moves? OANDA's order book shows where liquidity sits. Liquidity means where buyers and sellers wait, and large orders often cluster at key prices. Those clusters can create support or resistance as price reacts to incoming orders. The order book depth visual shows stacked bids and asks in real time, revealing pressure points. If large buy orders sit below price, they can absorb selling and act as near-term support. Now let's look at simple signals you can read quickly to anticipate moves. Spot thin liquidity gaps where low order volume means price can run quickly through. Watch for hidden walls, heavy orders that can halt or even reverse a move unexpectedly. Combine order book reads with price charts and volume to confirm signals before trading. Always size positions and use stops, because order book reads increase probability but do not guarantee outcomes. Example: a breakout into a thin ask zone often accelerates upward before meeting big resistance walls. Use OANDA's order book in your routine to anticipate moves and test it on a demo account today.